Hey, how's it going, people? It's Cardi Boy coming at you on a Friday evening for a little fresh product here. It's going to be the 2021 Topps Allen and Ginter, a little A and G. Always a fun rip, and there's some really cool stuff you can pull. And got two hobby boxes here today that we're going to rip live. And without further ado, let's get into these bad boys. I know there's a little box topper in every one too. See if we can pull some heat today. What's up, Dylan? Thanks for popping in. Went down to Loganville, J&J, providing me with the goods. First box topper here. It's going to be one of the square ones. It's going to be Cody Bellinger. It's like a square card. So Dodgers starting things off there. 8 cards per pack. 24 packs per box. Three guaranteed hits. So let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we got popping. All right. I for one love the minis too. You can hit some pretty awesome minis. Starting off with the Trey Turner. Now he's a Dodger. Joe Carter, Chipper Jones, Vlad Jr., Ricky Henderson, Cookie Carrasco. Mini is going to be Verlander. A and G back. Not a bad pack to start things off. Chris Bryant insert. Yeah, a little bit better on the box topper size there. Not too big. Let's see here. Simon Baker, soccer coach. Joey Votto had a great season. Jonathan India, rookie card. Could end up being the National League Rookie of the Year right there. No, it won't fit in a sleeve. It will not fit in a sleeve. Bo Bichette, Jacob deGrom, Shohei Ohtani. So this was a really good pack. We had the Ohtani. This mini is Far, Far Away Supernova. And Arboreal Appreciation. Arboreal Appreciation. So it's like a dedication to different types of trees. This is what you see in Allen and Ginter. You see like these little insert sets that are just kind of quirky. Yeah, so far, just these two packs, nothing hitting just yet. Let's see here. Love the look of these cards. Very nice design, good feel to them. Tony Gonsolin. Sarah Tiana, comedian. Sam Huff, rookie. Pudge Rodriguez, Marcus Stroman, Zach Gallen. This mini is Verlander, and it's not the A and G pack, it's the regular back. So I've already got 2 Verlander minis out of the first 3 packs. Historical hit, Scott Besednik. Got Byron Buxton, Mark Canha, Jason Biggs, actor. He was in a lot of stuff. Al Kaline. Buzz Bissinger. Buzz Bissinger, journalist and author. Obviously, some of these cards are not baseball. Luis Campusano. David Fletcher. And we got the Caribbean Reef Shark. Deep Sea Shiver. Good looking cards. Very good looking cards. And there's always going to be some weird collector out there that wants to grab these. J&J had these at 150, but I talked him down to 130, which was the price that they have on their website for these. So I just asked him to honor the website price. Got a black border here. It's Clark Schmidt black mini, and then an Edgar Martinez high number. Everything over number 301 is a high number short print. So the Edgar Martinez Clark Schmidt black mini, and an Alex Bregman T51 reimagined. So many different inserts, and this is my first time looking at these cards, so I'm just trying to get my head around all of this. Joe Adell rookie, Trevor Bauer rip, Tanner Houck, Lou Gehrig, James Kaprelian, that's a rookie, Luis Castillo. What do we got here? Giancarlo Stanton mini, went deep in the Field of Dreams game. Big hit for him. And then the inserts are going to be Birds of a Feather. So this one features birds. I really like the shark ones. Those are pretty cool. Let's see a relic. Let's see an autograph, guys. Verdugo, gray. Garcia rookie. Mike Stanton. Giancarlo. Jake Cronenworth rookie. Nice one. Dave Roberts, a little manager card there. And Giancarlo Stanton, A and G back. So we're not seeing a huge... They're not shuffling these up really good. We got the Stanton regular back, and then we got the Stanton Ginter back. That's already the second time that happened in this box. The first time it was Verlander. This one feels kind of thick. Nowhere to run. Piazza, McCutchen. I know he's got an Uncle Larry card in here too. Everybody likes that. Oh, baby. Rip card. First hit. Alec Baum. 73 out of 99. Man, I haven't pulled one of these in quite a while. Little Alec Baum rip card. Dude, should I rip it? Damn. Let's see. Man, I'm undecided about whether to rip this. God, it's so tempting. I'm gonna sleeve it up, and I'm gonna let it marinate for a little bit. Little Alec Baum rip card. Dude, tough call definitely to rip this. Really nice hit. Definitely a good start to this box. And we still got 2 more hits left. The mini in that pack was Conforto. And then we had another shark, Mako shark. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna need some time to think about whether or not to rip that bad boy. I probably will. The curiosity is just simply too much to bear. Got a Bagwell, a Glasnow, Pache rookie, Guerrero Sr., Marcus Semien. Man, what? Yeah. Tommy Lasorda, RIP, one of the best managers of all time. Far Away mini. Pretty cool little mini there. Carlton Fisk, historical hits. Let me take a look on Cardboard Connection here. The rip cards. The rip cards could have a number of different things. Usually it's a mini. Like a high numbered mini. And I mean, this set just dropped a couple of days ago, so we're still learning about it. Let's see here. Rip cards, rip cards, rip cards. I don't know. All right, coming up here, about halfway through the box, Anderson, Gibson, Kim, rookie, Randall Cunningham, and a bat relic of Will Smith. Full-size bat relic here. Nice little pull for a Dodgers fan. Very cool. Will Smith bat card. Not a bad box so far. Got a Robin Yount, number 22, and Rallying Back. I'm guessing this like features sort of like endangered species. All right, so 2 out of 3 hits are pretty good. Still got one more coming. Hopefully it's an autograph. Got Meadows, Joey Bart rookie, Reggie Jackson, Clark Schmidt rookie, Kevin Kiermaier, Jordan, and Lou Brock mini. Little Lou Brock mini there. Love it. Miggy Cabrera, future Hall of Famer, sitting on 499 homers right now. One more and he'll have 500. Vita Blue, Luis Garcia rookie, Cody Heuer rookie, Johnny Bench, Luis Gonzalez, Larry Doby, Robin Yount mini. This one's the A&G back. Wish they would have shuffled those minis up a little bit better. Seeing a lot of the same faces with the minis, even though the backs are different. Who we got here? Chef Jose Andres, Jose Quintana, Kirby Puckett, JT Brubaker, Uncle Larry. That's a pretty cool card. Baseball personality. Uncle Larry, Andrew McCutcheon's alter ego there. It's basically like an alter ego. Patrick Corbin and a David Wright black border mini. Edgar Martinez, historical hits. Rip card just chilling back there. What do I do? Probably end up ripping that shit. Harper, Sarah Spain, sports reporter and host, Joe Morgan, Paulie Goldschmidt, and our next hit is right here, guys. It's a framed mini. Framed mini. Oh, it's flipped over. Hang on just a sec. Little framed mini coming up here. Howard. Spencer Howard. Mini autograph. Very nice. Love a mini autograph. So our 3 hits from this box were pretty solid, not terrible. It is a pitcher autograph, so very nice, very nice. Spencer Howard. It's not numbered. Not numbered. So the Phillies, this is a Phillies box, man. The Phillies would have just absolutely raked it up, but I'm ripping this for personal, so. Got an Ortiz mini. And another of the endangered species cards here. Rallying Back. All right. 3 hits, we hit them. We still got one more box ahead of us. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Ha! That's funny, Classic City. That's funny. Murray, Marquez, Carlson, Steve Carlson, actor. Andres Jimenez, rookie. Roy Campanella. Todd Helton. And world's largest mountains. Got Mount Everest right here. That is definitely the world's largest mountain. 29,000 feet, Mount Everest. That's a pretty cool card. we got a Tatis Jr. T51 reimagined. I'm thinking this Mount Everest gets a little mini top loader. Pretty sweet card. So this first box was pretty solid. The rip card's pretty nice. Alex Rodriguez, Spencer Howard, Jimmy Pardo, comedian. We got Victor Gonzalez, Bobby Moynihan, Saturday Night Live, comedian. And what do we have here? Jesse Sanchez, MLB reporter, mini. Who does he report for? Looks like he works for the Rangers. Looks like he works for the Rangers. Bro, you got to get a box of this stuff, man. It's pretty. The prices are dropping online. I mean, I've seen like 125. Ortiz, Sanchez, Calhoun, Ruth, Rivera. Good Yankees pack there. Pavin Smith. A Billy Williams mini. Then we got the Bull Shark. Bull Shark. Yeah, I love ripping some Allen and Ginter, man. Thanks for joining in, y'all. Jimenez, Grandal, little White Sox pack. Jesus Sanchez, Alan Trammell. Davy Garcia, rookie, Castellanos, and Yu Darvish, A and G back. He has not been pitching well lately, but still always a good pull there. Yu Darvish, and then a Busta Posey insert. Garrett Cole, Christian Javier rookie, Joe Mauer, Roger Clemens, Alejandro Kirk. Ooh, there he is. T-Law. Not sure how much this base card goes for, maybe $5 or $10. Trevor Lawrence. Get that top loaded real quick. This could be pretty sought after right now. Little T-Law. Mini from that pack. Kyle Lewis. And we got the Arboreal Appreciation Black Birch Tree. Dalbec rookie. And Miguel Rojas, Sixto Sanchez, Marlins pack. Kyle Tucker, Reese Hoskins, Brandon Woodruff having a great season. Then we got a mini of the world's leaders. Cannot say that. Aung San Suu Kyi, Myanmar. Look at this, bro. These minis just like, I mean, it's weird. I don't know what to think, but I love them. I love them. Yeah, dude, the Trevor Lawrence is coming, baby. I feel it. That would be such a sick hit if I pulled that. Herman Marquez, Duke Snyder, Andre Dawson, Jim Koch. He brews Sam Adams. That's right. He is a brewer and entrepreneur. Rocky Blyer, football player. Blyer and Fletcher and a Stevenson black border rookie. Very nice little rookie there. Get that top loaded. Stevenson's having like a sleepy good campaign. Overshadowed by a couple of guys on his team. Jonathan India being one. And you bet he'll get some rookie of the year votes. He's gonna be solid for some years to come. Nice card right there, that black Stevenson. 3 packs left from our first box. kind of going pretty slow because I just like looking at these. Giolito, Rizzo, McGuire, Wheeler, Garcia Parra, Smith, Bianca Smith, baseball coach, Red Sox. Joe Morgan Mini, and a Zebra Shark. There you go, Zebra Shark. Lester, Randy Johnson, Robin Yount, Ryan Mountcastle, Griffey Jr. Great looking card right there. Josh Gibson. Wow. You don't see him in sets very often. Josh Gibson, Negro Leagues. One of the best hitters ever in the Negro Leagues. Helton. That's a high number mini. Number 330. Those are pretty tough pulls. T51 Reimagined, Cody Bellinger. First box, last pack. Varsho, Neidert, Snell, Seager, Jackie, Sandberg, and let's see, it's the Jesse Sanchez reporter guy. A&G back. Birds of a Feather insert. All right, good first box. A little recap here. Spencer Howard, Alec Baum rip card, Will Smith relic. Got the Trevor Lawrence, the Stevenson black border, world's largest mountain, Mount Everest. I like that card. Box number 2. Stay tuned because we got some heat coming. I feel it. I've been doing pretty good lately at least getting some value out of these Topps boxes, as overpriced as they are. All right. Starting this bad boy off here, we got the box topper. This one's going to be of Pete Alonso, Mets. Very cool card. Pete Alonso. $24 packs, 8 cards per pack. Let's do it. Box number 2. First one was pretty fire. What up, Courtney? Good to see you in the live. Chris Bubik. Jeff Carlson. He is an actor. Lou Brock, Kim Ng, she's the general manager of the Marlins. First hit right off the bat, it's a two-color swatch of Will Myers. Little two-color swatch of Will Myers there. Pretty sweet little card. So the first hit came out of our very first pack of that box. And we got a Giolito mini and Mackerel Shark. Mackerel Shark. Just chilling and ripping on a Friday night. Yeah. Alec Baum rookie. Mitch Keller. Or Brad Keller, I'm sorry, not Mitch Keller. Miggy Cabrera. Kirilloff rookie. Wait a sec. Kirilloff was supposedly a short print. Let me check again. Let's see here. Bear with me while I'm on cardboardconnection.com right now. Just checking to see what's up with this Alex Kirilloff. Yeah. Oh wait, that was Kellenic, not Kirilloff. Sorry. Got excited over nothing there. Brady Singer rookie, Bob Feller, Lou Brock. That's an A&G back. Got excited over nothing right there. It's actually Jared Kellenic. And there's also Akil Baddoo and Yermín Mercedes. Mike Lang. Tatis, Tomey, DeYoung, Burley, Martinez, Far Away Mini, Caldwell 35. Pretty cool mini. And then Birds of a Feather, the Cockatoo. Cockatoo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Little Birds of a Feather insert. Let's see here. TJ Lavin. I've heard of him. BMX star, yeah. Brickley, basketball trainer. David Wright, DJ LeMahieu, Yadi Molina, Kenta Maeda. We got the old beanie, hats off. Little toboggan up in here. These are actually pretty rare minis. The hats off minis. Not a super short print, but definitely a pretty tough pull. Kirby Puckett insert. Got 2 hits left. 2 hits left. Mike Trout, always good to see him. Trevor, Robles, Yelich, Canseco, Walsh, Hendricks, Liam Hendricks, one of the best closers in the game. Rallying back. This is for the endangered species. What's up, Greg? Just ripping some Allen and Ginter, man. Glad you could join. Got a lot of packs left, and I still got 2 hits left. What's this pack got? Got a Jake Bowers, Craig Biggio, Gary Sanchez, Ernie Banks, Rangham. Who is this? Kelly Rangam, softball player. Carlos Delgado, Jack Flaherty, black border. I've noticed that I have not pulled very many Braves cards thus far. Maybe like 2. Blake Snell. Bro, you got to join in. All right. Andrelton. One of the best shortstops. Chapman. Will Craig. Rendon. Stevenson, rookie. Who's this? Mark Anthony. Mark Anthony, the singer. Blue Spruce here, the Arboreal Appreciation, and Alejandro Kirk mini. Little Far Side playing in the background. Old school. Oscar Mercado, Juan Soto, Jack Flaherty, Carlos Martinez, Tony Gwynn, Rip, Moises Alou, Billy Williams, A and G back. The backs have the A and G design on them. Pretty cool. Then a Mr. National Ryan Zimmerman. Zimmerman was the first player ever drafted by the Washington Nationals, and he still plays there. All right, we got a hit in this pack. Looks like a framed mini. Looks like it'll be either a relic or an autograph. Got a Buster Posey, Ian Happ, J.A. Happ, sorry, not Ian Happ, Zach Greinke, Hernandez. All right, guys. Let's see what this one is right here. Allen and Ginter mini. It's a mini. Braves. Acuna. Let's see that auto. Oh, it's a red jersey relic, but I'll so take that. I will so take that. Fuck yeah. Little Acuna relic. Nice to pull some Ronald Acuna, man. Very nice card. Very, very nice card right there. Hails, yeah. We'll get that sleeved up, and we'll get that in the PC. Love it. Would have loved to see an autograph, but I am very happy with this relic here. Not numbered. Very nice relic. Acuna. I don't pull many Acuna cards. That one's cool. Woo-wee. No doubt I would have lost my mind if that was an autograph. Keston Hiura, Mookie Betts, Jorge, Kim, Daniel Kim, baseball analyst. Kyle Schwarber, traded to the Red Sox. Derek Lee. This mini, Josh Naylor. And I actually forgot to show you guys the mini from the last pack. It was Max Scherzer now on the Los Angeles Dodgers. Hammerhead Shark. One more hit left from this box. Yeah, that Acuna, man. So sick. Got a Soroka. Got a Maddox. Hey, I started wondering where the Braves were at, and then here we go, baby. Here we go. Shane Bieber. Willie Castro. Don Mattingly. Ian Anderson. Definitely a Braves pack there. Ian Anderson rookie. Taylor Trammell rookie. That's an A&G back. This guy could end up being a stud right here. Taylor Trammell. Highly touted prospect for the Reds for many years, and then they traded him. White Spruce. Arboreal Appreciation. So this next hit is got to be an autograph, right? It's got to be an autograph, this next hit. Acuna base card. Andy Young, Pedro, Brooks, Suarez, Far Away, Caldwell 5. These show galaxies. These minis show like galaxies far, far away. Pretty cool. I'm a big space guy. Johnny Bench. Let's see here. Nolan Ryan in the Angels uniform. Old school. Honus. Bonus Honus. Andrew Vaughn rookie. Guy's going to be a stud. Willie McCovey. Bellinger. Eddie Matthews. And we got a Cunningham black border. Randall Cunningham black border. That's a nice card. Wasn't his daughter in the Olympics or something? Whale Shark. The Shark cards look pretty sweet. Not gonna lie. Isaac Paredes, Machado, Hayes, Verlander, Kershaw, Grisham, Lasorda mini. That's a high-numbered mini. Tough pull. And Max Scherzer to finish off that pack. Looking for one more hit. Tom Bunk, cartoonist. Chris Bryant, George Brett, Colton Wong, Ripken, Bueller, Cepeda. Orlando Cepeda mini. I haven't had any numbered cards to my knowledge, except for the Rip card. Ha! Stick around. We're going to hit something huge. Let's fucking go. Aaron Nola, Ted, Aaron, Judge, Jazz Chisholm, Hendricks, Dion. Hey, I didn't know Deion Sanders had a card in this set. That's pretty sweet. What the fuck? Corn. It's good for you. Corn. It's so good for you. Eat that fucking corn. Ha! Man. Alex Rodriguez insert. Alright, guys. The last hit from our second box is in this pack. Let's fucking go. Alright. Alyssa Nakin, baseball coach. Nakin. Albert Abreu, Max Scherzer, Laureano. And our hit here is Yankees. Looks like it's probably just going to be a relic. It's going to be of Gio Urshela jersey relic. Gio Urshela jersey relic. Great looking card. No autograph in this box. No autograph in this box. Gio Urshela relic. Not so bad. Thanks for popping in, fellas. We just pulled a Gio Urshela, pulled a Ronald Acuna, and pulled a Will Myers relic from this box. So it's a triple relic box. Triple relic box. Still got a few packs left. Yeah, I know. The corn. The corn is like the best card from this box, I swear. Cronenworth mini. Pretty nice little mini rookie card. Jake Cronenworth. Blue Shark. Just a handful of packs left, guys. Thanks for coming to join the Rift Sesh. Josh Bell, Larkin, Will Smith, Marte, Killebrew, Kruk. And we got the world's largest, what? Honey fungus. Largest living organism on Earth. Whoa. Honey fungus. Largest living organism on Earth. Weird as hell, but I love it. Weird, but I love it, man. Got, let's see here. Jeff Garland, Luis Robert, Frank Thomas, White Sox pack, Leote, Cepeda, Sheffield, Black Border Mini, Sixto Sanchez. I guess we'll see him next year. I think he got shut down this year with some shoulder issues. Last card from that pack, Birds of a Feather. Rose-breasted cockatoo. Gonna have an ass load of cards to sort, but they will all be for sale, except for a handful of these. Patino, Carew, Torres, Jeffers, Conforto, Chapman, Kyle Lewis, A&G back, and a Joe Carter historical hit. Roger Maris, Keibert Ruiz rookie, Steve Carlton, Rafi Devers, Kyle Hendricks, David Peterson, Miguel Rojas, Mini, and rallying back, humpback whales. What do we got in these last packs? Jalen Waddle. Little Jalen Waddle there. Nate Pearson. Daz Cameron. Didi Gregorius. Rose Lavelle, soccer player. Zach Plesac and Dave Roberts mini. That's a high-numbered mini. Ronald Acuna. An insert here. The T51 reimagined. Little Acuna insert. Jalen Waddle's a nice card. Yeah. I think I might sleeve that shit up. Waddle and Lawrence. Those are our two college football players that were in this box. Maybe we got an extra hit. Who knows? Mondesi, Musial, Price, Ichiro, Baez, Lewis, Jonathan India rookie, A&G back. Probably your front runner for National League Rookie of the Year right there. So we'll get that. We'll get that bad boy sleeved up too. Jonathan India, mini rookie, A&G back. Very nice card right there. What up, Cole? You got here right when I was ripping my last pack, buddy. Roy Wood Jr., comedian. Boy with no job. What the hell? Boy with no job, Ben Sofer. The fuck is he doing in this set? Pete Alonso, Willie Stargell, Hornsby, Fred McGriff in the old Devil Rays jersey. Sick. Towards his end of his career there. Far Away, Caldwell 44. Galaxies and shit. Roger Maris, historical hits. Well, we hit some pretty good stuff, guys. Acuna, Gio, Myers, Spencer Howard auto, the Bomb rip card, which I think I'm not going to rip, and Will Smith bat relic. A lot of relics, but we did hit an auto and a rip card, so I'll take that. Not a bad little sesh. Not a bad little sesh. You guys have a good weekend, all right? Later.